Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is DebajaniS blog and craft. Today I am going to make a craft video how to make Xmas tree.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is
It's
all
very
about.
easy to make and learn how to make Xmas tree. Please come to learn with me. Hope you will enjoy my video and watch my full video. Thank you. If you like my video, then please give me a like, share and subscribe my channel for more beautiful vlogs, for more beautiful crafts. Thank you.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about. I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting,
Finally,
Jack Frost
it's become
nipping at
very
your
beautiful.
nose.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and
So
subscribe my channel. Bye bye.
this